Attorney General Virginia Mabiza has dismissed the call for a national referendum on Constitution Amendment Bill number 3 of 2026, saying the demands are legally unfounded and inconsistent with the Constitution's clearly defined amendment procedures. No legal basis for referendum on CAB3. Attorney General not subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina Berry, he remarks significantly strengthening the government's position ahead of next week's parliamentary debate on the proposed amendments, while casting fresh doubt on arguments advanced by constitutional lawyer Muhammad Dugu and other critics, who have insisted that the bill must be subjected to a publicity. According to Mabiza, the Constitution is explicit on the circumstances under which a referendum may be held, and the constitutional amendments, Amendment Bill number 3 does not fall within any of the protected categories requiring one. In a strongly worded statement, the Attorney General and Section 328(6) of the Constitution deliberately limits referendums to only 3 specific areas: amendments affecting Chapter 4 of the Constitution, which deals with the Declaration of Rights, Chapter 16 on agricultural land, and 328 itself, which governs constitutional amendments. She argued that the frames of Constitution intentionally designed the provision to protect fundamental rights and land provisions from alteration without direct public approval, while allowing Parliament to process all other constitutional amendments through legislative routes. Doma developments and utapangwa in a comment section made za any more video on subscribe or like, once you turn the bell icon.